Hey there, friends. Welcome to Muhammad Ishaq's channel, where you'll find useful tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that many of us might need: how to set Google as your main search engine on Chrome. Let's dive in, step by step, and I'll make sure you're all set up in just a few minutes. Now, as you may know, there are a few different search engines: Google, Bing, Yahoo, each with its own features. But Google? It's the one that brings the widest and most relevant information. Today, I'm showing you how to switch from any other search engine to Google, fast and simple. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Chrome, just like you usually do. Then look up to the top right corner where you'll see 3 dots. That's the settings menu. Let's click it and go deeper into Chrome's options. Once you're in the menu, scroll down to Settings. This is where all the control lies. From here, we're able to make changes that can really boost how efficiently you search for information. Let's go find the search engine settings. Now, under Settings, scroll until you find Search Engine. It might seem like a small adjustment, but trust me, choosing Google here will make your browsing experience so much smoother and faster. Just wait and see. All you have to do now is click the drop-down menu and select Google. And just like that, it's set. From here on, every search you make will go straight through Google's powerful engine. It's really that easy. Let's test it out. Here's a new tab. See that Google logo? This means every search is now powered by Google. Whether you're looking up tutorials, news, or your favorite videos, Google's got you covered. Sometimes, switching search engines may not stick right away, or maybe you face issues with other settings. If that's the case, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help troubleshoot for you. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Little tweaks like these can make a big difference in everyday browsing. Take it one step at a time, and don't forget to explore the options that work best for you. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Muhammad Ishaq's channel for more handy tech tips. I've got tons more videos like this coming up, so stick around and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.